Welcome back to Walter Man. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Dell PC. This is one that my grandpa got me from his work for free, and I'm going to be taking a look at it. So I had to get a hard drive for it, which I'm unboxing right now, and this is a $7 hard drive, got off eBay, and this is an 80 gigabyte 2.5 inch hard drive, SATA connector on the front. And I'm going to be installing it into this Dell desktop. Now I think I'm going to put Windows XP onto it, or something around that time zone anyway. So yeah, now I had to fit it into the PC. It had these little blue plastic things that you put the hard drive into, and problem was, this is a smaller hard drive, so it wouldn't fit, so I just made this little thing out of cardboard and popsicle sticks. It just sticks in there, no screws, nothing like that at all. So I hope it doesn't fall out. I think it shouldn't. It's pretty snug in there. But this will let me use it on there. Okay, time to set up this old PC. So I'm just going to take out this blue thing down here and put a hard drive into it, and that'll be step one complete once I get it in there. Okay, I got it wired up here, which is way too hard to do on camera, but I think it looks pretty good. Cables do need tidying up, but this blue SATA cable is way too short for this, so it's kind of just hanging in there, but it should work just fine. Okay, everything was going so good till I turned it on. Yeah, that wasn't good. So I just whacked it on the top and, well, it turned on. Don't know what's up with that. There's no display because, well, I forgot to plug in the cable. I'll be right back. Okay, try number 2. It broke again. Okay, let's try that one more time. Nope. Okay, I guess I'm going to have to whack it again. Okay, that should fix it. Yep, there we go. Don't know what's up with that, but it should be turning on now. There we go, Dell. Okay, now I need to make sure it's going to recognize the hard drive. Then you select this real quick. And let's see here. Turn on SATA 0, which I had it turned off, but turn it on real quick. And there we go. That should be it. Okay. Now it's time to put in the disk. Okay, so this is Windows XP, and this is not official. I got it from online, so I hope it works fine. It should. But it should turn on. Okay, now that it's turned on, it's working. It booted from the disk. And now I have to wait for it to install. See, it's working. It's loading. Lots of loading. But I'll be back when it's done. Okay, more loading is required, but it is installing. No errors, so that's good sign. Okay, now it needs my name. I'll just do the name of my YouTube channel. Walter Man. Yep, and then organization. Let's be work group. Work group, okay. And that should be good. And I gotta do all this stuff, so I'll be back when it's done setting up. The black screen of loading. Okay, there we go, Windows XP. Do you like the screen resolution? Yes, I do. I just want to change this real quick. And yeah, it's fine, I don't care, come on. Okay, I'm gonna let it boot up some more. And there we go, no sound. But welcome to Microsoft Windows. Thank you for using Windows XP. And welcome. One welcome screen later, Windows XP Desktop finally loaded, and it's still not done yet. Wow. Well, it looks nice. Look at those clouds. Sunny day. Okay, there we go. There's the start menu. Quite a bit of programs. Not that many, but there's quite a few there. Yeah. New hardware found. That's good to know. See here, my computer. It isn't popping up, okay. I'll be right back after I fix this. Okay, one format later, it's working now. We have DOSBox on this. I'm going to install it real quick. If I can play DOS games on here. Run as, and it should work. Oh, okay. I'll fix this as well. There we go. Now it's working finally. Took forever. Setting it up real quick. That was too quick. Oh well. There we go. I see DOSBox on the desktop. Let's see if it works. It should. Should work. There we go. DOSBox. Now I can play some games, which I'll be showing in my next video. Okay, here I am in safe mode, and I have a game I typed in real quick. Loaded off my USB drive, and I'll be showing this game more in my next video. But you have an option to play music through the PC speaker, so I'm going to let you hear that. Some of them don't sound very good, like this song. Yeah, so that's not the best, but it does work, and you don't have any audio. Guess that's the only option. But yeah, like I said, this works for now. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Like I said, it's a business PC. It's not meant for gaming at all. Like, no graphics card in it, nothing like that. It's just purely for business. Because it has like a Pentium 4 processor, designed for Windows XP. I mean, it's pretty quiet. It's not the quietest though, but yeah, it works with that TV. And here's a look inside again, just for if anyone wanted to see it. All right, here's the inside. No, pretty standard. This is a PC. Fan, 2 USB ports in the front, 3.5-inch floppy drive, the standard CD-ROM, which I believe this is, yeah, the CD-ROM, and power supply. I don't think Dell did that. It's like terribly mounted. Only 2 screws holding in it. But this little speaker right down here, that is the internal PC speaker, which was playing all that sound. I mean, here's the hard drive installed. So yeah, I mean, it works. Not the nicest cable management, but again, no one's gonna be looking inside this than me. There's no like window on here or anything, but yeah, I like it. The ports in the back, they're right here, and yeah, they have a couple. So there's a VGA, a couple serial ports, 4 USB ports, audio ports. So yeah, it's pretty standard stuff on a PC. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe to Walter Mann. And hope you guys enjoyed this little video about this old Dell PC. It's pretty old, running Windows XP, but it does work, so that's nice. And I'll see you next time.